Hello everyone, I'm Michelle Smith and welcome to my channel. I have the second part of my Dollar Tree haul for you today. Now if you like hauls, crafts, DIYs, and cooking, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I do upload new content several times a week. Well, thanks so much for stopping by. Let's go ahead and jump right on in. Now, I don't know if you've been following me on any of my past hauls, but finding toilet paper in my area has been extremely difficult. But look at what I found at the Dollar Tree. Yay, toilet paper. So I did go ahead and pick up 2 packages. It was so nice to find out of all the stores in the area, Dollar Tree is the one that came through. I did also need to pick up some beauty products. And it was nice to see Valero is at it again. They came out with some new products, some new fragrances. This is Jasmine and Orange Blossom. And this is a body wash. And you get 10 fluid ounces. That is a great size for the Dollar Tree. And then this is a Refresh. I really like the packaging. It is so pretty. It is perfect for Mother's Day. They also have a Body Illuminizer Shimmering Body Cream. And this is 3 fluid ounces. It's in the same fragrance, Jasmine and Orange Blossom. So that sounds really nice to add a little bit of a shimmer to the shoulders or your chest. Very nice. Now in the same fragrance, they also had their skincare line, which I've noticed a lot lately. They don't seem to do that. They seem to either do the face line or the body line. But rarely do I see them do both this face line and the body line in the same fragrance. So it was nice to find that. So this is again the Jasmine and Orange Blossom. This is Creamy Face Wash. That'll be interesting to try. This is Refresh for all skin types, and this is a 5 fluid ounce. So Creamy Face Wash, something new to try. And then they also had a Whipped Face Cream. That sounds exciting too, at 3 fluid ounces. And then of course they had my tried and true facial wipes. So this is great. This would make a wonderful gift for your mother. Put together a really nice basket with all these skincare products and a little sponge and maybe an eye mask or something along those lines. It would make a great gift. Now, another item that I have been searching for quite some time, the Dollar Tree again came through for me, and it was the Soft Soap Antibacterial Hand Wash. So they just got in a shipment, so they had quite a lot, so I did grab 2 of them. We wash our hands all the time now. Anytime we touch mail or we even step outside to do something outside, and the minute we come in, we wash our hands. Got to be safe. I also went ahead and grabbed a new hairbrush. Now, I haven't bought this one in the past, but I really like this kind of hairbrush that it's squishy in the middle and the bristles. And they have the little safety knob on the top. This works really well if you have long hair to remove tangles. Because my hair is so fine, just a little bit of movement and I've got tangles. So brushing it out, I need something that's not going to rip my hair out, but is going to do a good job. And these paddle type brushes work very well. So I'm really excited that I was able to find another one at the Dollar Tree. Now when I was over in the floral section, I did pick up a couple items. I found these really pretty little succulents. They come in the little pot, but I bought them because of the colors. Nice and vibrant. Kind of an orange with a little yellow and green on this one. And then this one has more yellow with a little bit of orange and just a tip of green. I thought they were so pretty that they would look really nice with my other succulents. I do have another project coming. I don't know how soon I'm going to get to it, but I love doing things with their succulents. Now, when I was in the floral section, I was looking for some red, white, and blue flowers. And normally they come out with something that's red, white, and blue for Memorial Day and 4th of July. Now, I don't know if they just haven't put anything like that out yet, but I had the hardest time finding anything. So I did end up getting 1 pack of these red blooms. Now this is a dahlia. And then I also got 1 package in the white of the dahlia. Now they didn't have any blooms that were the right color blue, but I did find these glittery balls, and they are the perfect blue. So I'm planning on using these along with some other things that I got last year in a project for Americana. Now when I was down in the frame section, I did find a couple good finds. This first one, I saw this frame and I thought, oh, that's really nice. I like it. It's a faux wood frame, but it's really pretty. It shows a lot of grain, and this is a 5x7. And I thought that was really pretty. I don't think I would do anything to the frame, but I do have an idea for it. So I did pick up 4 of them. Now the main reason why I went into the frame section was I wanted to get 4 large frames, and so I did find them. I chose these. They are 8x10s, and I like they have a little pattern around. I did get 4. I got 3 that were black and 1 that was brown, and of course I didn't notice that when I was in the store because they all looked black at the same time. But it's okay, because the project that I have planned, I paint them, so it doesn't matter what color they are. But it was really nice to find it. I wanted something that had a little bit of a wider band. It had a little bit of a design, so I was really happy when I found these. Now up in the front where they carried the seasonal items, they were just putting out some summer items as well. So I did pick a few of those up. They had some really cute table scatter. These are just little foam cutouts. So this first one just has the Hawaiian flower. I don't remember what that's called. And it has little leaves in there too, and you have several different colors to choose from. And then this one has pineapples, palm trees, and flamingos. I thought that was really cute too. And then the last table scatter, which is my favorite, is kind of under the sea. It has seahorse, a little whale, some fishes, and some crabs. I thought that was really cute too. So I just grabbed 1 of each. Now they did come out with a couple new signs. They had not put everything out yet, but they did add a few things. And I picked this one sign up. I thought it was so cute. It just says pool. But the P looks like water, and then the 2 O's look like little floaties, and then the L. I thought that was really cute. I have a specific craft in mind for this guy, and the minute I saw it, I thought, I know what I'm going to do with that. And then this sign is new as well. I thought it was really cute. It has sweet little fruits on the top, 2 little berries, a slice of lime. And I love these little flip-flops. This is why I bought it. I love the flip-flops. It was nice to find up in the summer section that they had the DIY stickers this year. And they're kind of cool. They're sliced fruit and pineapples. This is one pattern. I thought that was really interesting. So I got 2 of those. And then they also had this one, and they have little palm trees, little flip-flops, and some more pineapples. But I really like the detail, and there's so much that you can do with these. You can paint them, you can just use colored markers, you can stain them, whatever you want. Now this next item is brand new. I don't remember seeing it last year at all, and I think they're so adorable. There's so much potential in these, and they are just a DIY wood frame. This one looks like the wheel to a boat, which I thought is really cute. And you can put a picture there in the front, and it does come with a little dowel right there that goes into the little hole in the back to stand it up. But I thought this was really cute. You could not only use it for a picture, but this would be a really nice DIY project. They also have this one, which is a sun, which I really like this one as well. Very pretty. Again, a lot of different things that you can do with it. And they have the little dowel to use to stand it up like the other one. They also had a little boat and I think one other one, but I don't remember what it was. But I saw these and I thought, wow, I could do a lot with those. I'm going to grab them. Well, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed part 2 of our Dollar Tree haul. Thanks again. It's always a pleasure to see you. I hope you and your family are all staying happy, healthy, and strong. You take care. You have a lovely day, and I will catch you next time.